and we are
Undecided.
So today our topic is insecurities that men have that women actually don't mind.
We don't care
about
at all. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna talk about today. But real quick, we gotta do something. Okay?
Real quick. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that you've given us for the nourishment of our bodies. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen. All right. So the first insecurity is the size of a man's wallet.
Oh, I didn't know where you was going with that. I was gonna say, whoa, number one? Okay.
Yeah, the size of a man's wallet. So honestly, I'm that female that don't ask for anything. As long as you got a wallet with some in it,
Yeah.
we good with that.
You just gotta be able to come into the relationship with something.
Yes.
That's it. That's what it is.
Definitely.
Yeah, like I don't care if you got money, because a lot of time I'm not even gonna fake it. It's a turn off when a dude is constantly on social media flaunting his money.
Ooh.
Don't
Like,
want to see that.
I don't like it.
Horny is what it is.
I just don't.
And then when you flaunt your money, you attract what attracts money.
Exactly.
And y'all know what that is.
Hoes.
Stop, bucket.
Basically.
But like when me and Joe got together, I didn't know that he, had the money that he had. So it was like, oh, that's a plus. But like as a female, like you're gonna always have your own money.
Right.
But if your dude
You're
got money,
supposed to always have your own money.
excuse me. Then like that's cool. But a lot of men be like, oh, I gotta have money in order to have a chick. Not necessarily. No.
You need to make sure you survive, sure.
Right. Make sure you got your stuff together first.
Right.
But we said it don't matter, but don't get it twisted.
You need a job.
You need to have something. Don't be living on somebody's couch.
And don't think I'm going to take care of you.
And I'm not taking care of you.
I can barely take care of
You
myself.
said you're a grown man.
Act
Show
like
me.
one. I can
Show
barely
me.
take care of myself.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to move back home. No, I'm just kidding.
I'm not.
I refuse.
Okay. So another insecurity is where they work at. Like what kind of job they have. I don't care. Have a job. I don't care if you flip burgers. I don't care if you clean toilets.
No, I ain't gonna say I don't care what it is.
I don't care as long as you got a job.
I mean,
I
yes,
prefer.
but
I prefer a nice paying job, but
right.
as long as
If you got a job, then you got a
Because a
job.
lot of places
Right.
that flip burgers don't be trying to pay nothing.
I
Unless
mean-
you like up there in like management or
Yeah.
go to White Castle.
Holla.
They pay good.
I don't know, like I don't care, but like me personally, I prefer my dudes to have some type of like education. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's street ed or
Here we go.
sorry, but like for real, like I just we need some type.
You
of
need
way
a
to
job.
we need some type of way to come up. So
I mean, definitely. I don't expect you to be, if we first get together and you working at McDonald's, and 2 years later you still working at McDonald's, you're gonna be
do better.
single.
I don't know. I feel like the only job I couldn't do, and this is just me personally, I don't want to deal with no drug dealer. I'm sorry. I ain't gonna say I'm not about that life. I just it's too like unexpected for me. Like stuff can go wrong in like 5 seconds. I ain't got time. And don't get me wrong, the money probably real nice.
So basically,
But I'm cool. You just have to have
a job
A
you can file
job.
on your taxes.
bingo. There you go. That's what I was getting at.
That's definitely what you mean. You need a job you
Basically.
can file.
Because I ain't got time
That's
to be in no courtroom with nobody.
I'm not gonna be in the courtroom.
I'm sure I wouldn't. I did that.
I already did it. I ain't gonna do it.
I ain't never did.
No,
Yep.
never again. Mm-mm.
Not never.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Stay where I'm at.
So since we just got off the job situation, the next one is not working 100+ hours a week. Like basically, not working a lot. Let's say that not working.
I
a
don't
lot.
mind you not working a lot. Just don't be lazy. Like I'm already a lazy worker myself, so I'm never at work.
So
But
we
like-
both can never be at work.
Right,
It's not gonna work.
right. Somebody gotta go to work.
I mean, as he doing his 40 or 80,
Yeah.
you cool. You ain't
Yeah.
gotta hit 100. But I mean, if you do it,
Just great.
that won't hurt.
That's
But all that extra stuff, bro.
But then it's like, you do 100 hours, when am I going to see you?
Right.
Yeah.
Cause, ooh, baby,
I need to see you. Or this is not a relationship.
it's not gonna work.
Yeah.
That's what's not going to work. Me not seeing you. Then I'm going to go see somebody else.
Oh. I almost choked.
Well, that went very fast.
Oh,
Well.
I just played.
no, she's
No,
not.
she's not.
No, she's not.
No,
That
she's
caught
not.
me all off guard. Okay.
But no, I don't think that they're like. A lot of dudes be like, oh, I gotta make sure I stay at work. So she be like, oh, damn, he always at work. We really don't care.
Mm-mm.
As long as one day out the week, you be like, I'm at work.
No, more than one day.
More than one day, but I'm just
But
saying.
you get the point.
I need you to tell me that you going to work.
And don't be lying.
Yeah.
Don't.
I pop up.
Mm-mm. I ain't got time. I ain't got no gas.
I have before. I'll say that. I don't now, but I have.
I'm not going to pop up. You just going to slip up. And you got to keep lying. See, like, you got to keep lying after you tell one lie.
Woo. And you ain't gonna do nothing but catch him on social media.
Exactly.
Sitting up there
But
smoking.
then you gonna. I thought you was at work.
Sitting up there smoking. That's
Big
it.
stupid.
And then you get blocked because you call me a lie.
Damn, wait.
She be blocking everybody. She gonna fuck around and block us later.
She can't block me because I'm gonna pop up.
You do. Yeah, that's the only time I pop up.
Okay. So the next one. Not being 6 feet tall.
All right.
I'm sorry.
This one is true. I'm sorry.
This one is true.
Not 6 foot, but you have to be taller than me.
Yeah.
That's the only thing.
Everybody taller than me, so it's cool.
I can't date nobody who I'm looking eye to eye with because at this point I'm uncomfortable.
If we go out and I wear heels and I'm taller than you,
That's
It's a
deal breaker.
problem.
I don't know.
But I'm short, so I guess it really don't bother me. Anybody taller than me, I'm 5 even, so.
Well, I'm 5'5", so I'm already kind of like on the cusp.
Holla. I'm 5'2". My fiance is 5'7", 5'8". So that's not like super tall, but it's good enough.
Yeah, because I think Joe like 5'11", almost 6
Excuse
foot.
me.
So.
And the thing with
Yeah.
me, why it doesn't matter because I'm really short and I'm not gonna break my neck trying to look at you. I'm not doing it. Now, I
So
don't
you wouldn't
mind.
date like 6'5".
No, I don't. Nah.
Really? That's too tall?
What?
I'm 5 even.
So
Okay.
Okay, if I gotta do all this and step back,
that
to
just means he gotta pick you up.
all right.
She watched too many movies.
That one left too.
He just gotta pick you up a little bit,
Nah.
which leads to other things.
She be tripping.
Hard.
So I feel.
I don't know. I do like 6 foot and up though.
Yeah.
I don't know. That's
I'm not
just-
picky about it. That's
That's
what I'm
just
saying.
me.
I'm not gonna put a number on it, but just taller than me is how I feel. But I feel like
Everybody's taller than
I
you.
feel like, well, I mean, yeah, kind of. But I feel like most women are like that. So that one I would kind of agree with a little bit.
Well, you know, I see some girls that be like 6 some.
Gigantic.
Gotta be 6 some, and they niggas be like 5.
I don't have time.
I would be like, I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it.
Nah. I agree with you though. As long as you're taller than me, I'm fine.
Yeah.
And everybody's taller than me, so.
Yeah.
The next you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My bad.
So the next one. Having a nice car.
As long as you mobile, bro.
I ain't gonna say that.
As long as your heat and your air work. As long as you got gas.
I don't want your bumper hanging off.
No donuts.
You can't
I don't
speed
wanna
it with
see-
donuts.
I don't want to see no ropes hanging, making stuff stay on. Like as long as it looks okay, it don't have to be like the best expensive car. Just don't have me out here looking crazy.
If I'm embarrassed to get out your car.
My point. I ain't got time.
Really? Oh, okay.
Nah. I'm not picky because my first car, the driver window didn't roll down. I ain't have heat.
We was
But-
outside.
We was outside with that sunroof. But, no, I didn't have air. I had heat, but no air.
I had either or.
We used to have to beat on her car.
Yeah, you had to like hit it a couple. This was my first car. I bought my first car, so like you had to like hit on a little bit and then it'd come on. Yeah.
We didn't have no radio. We used to. Never mind.
Yep.
We used to ride with a speaker.
Yeah, we used to have a little speaker and put it in my cup holder, baby. We used to be outside.
We used to
So
ride.
that's why I'm saying like it
That's
don't
what
matter to me.
Yeah.
Because like I know where I came from.
But what did the outside look like?
It was good.
It was cool.
good.
Yeah.
My point. So as long as the outside is okay, we cool. They don't need to know what's going on the inside.
You're right. You're right. You're right.
If your
Yeah.
windows don't let down, okay, don't nobody know that driving by. They
Okay.
just think you
Until you pull
cool.
up to the driveway, you gotta open up.
Open the door. I never went through a drive-through ever. Baby.
Oh my god.
You ain't finna embarrass me like
That
that.
used to be
Yes, that's the only. As long as the outside is okay, your bumper and your trunk. Wait, is that the same thing? What's the one in the front? That's the grill. Is that the grill?
Ain't it all the bumper?
I don't know. As long as the front
As
matches
you
the
can
back.
see, we don't know nothing about cars.
As long as it matches, we cool. All that two-tone, you got it from a different lot. It's too much.
Hey, what'd you get from a different light? The bumper
The
in the
bumper
back?
in the back is or what?
And we to the junkyard?
You know how they be just be like buying shit? No.
She said two
But
different lights.
my biggest thing is, and
No.
plates. I'm bad with plates. Cause I get it when I get it. But I don't want to be riding with you and you ain't got your plates because then if you get locked up,
That's a
then
double standard. So if he ride with you and you ain't got your place, it's cool.
I wouldn't ride though. I wouldn't even put nobody in that type of situation. I did y'all like that. But,
She definitely did.
I mean, what y'all gonna tell me? No, we don't want to ride.
Yep.
Nah.
So we gonna have to come up with our story when we get a call. Cause this is what we gonna do.
I'm
We're
not-
gonna act like the month was some other month. Cause I did that before too. I'm like,
Was it a police cop? That's why he let you get away with it.
I'm like, my
Had that been a
race
female-
expired in March.
Had that been
I
a
thought
female,
they said May.
you would have got a ticket. She would be like, ma'am, I don't
did
care.
that.
I don't see a lot of female cops.
Girl,
They
know
got a whole
better.
bunch of them, I heard.
They know better. I'll knock a female cop out.
Please
Like,
don't.
They go to jail.
and ain't gonna do nothing because she ain't gonna say nothing after I beat her up.
All
right.
The
The next one is
Y'all watch, if you watch the last video, you know.
If you know, you know.
If you
the next one
didn't,
is
go back.
having muscles.
I don't care because I'm fat, so
I ain't got no muscles, so why should you?
I don't care about that.
I don't care.
And I don't work out, so
Both of our bellies can be hanging over our belt.
okay. I don't know about that.
Mine's already doing it, so I have no choice but to accept somebody else's.
Mine is a weight limit. I have a weight limit.
Okay.
As long as you don't exceed that, we cool. We cool.
What's your weight limit?
I'm not telling.
No, I need to
I'm
know.
not telling.
You got to.
You might as well.
But see, a lot of people, you don't even know how much they weigh until they tell you.
Well, if you around him, you better know.
I don't know. How much you think I weigh?
We're not doing that. We not doing that.
I weigh a lot.
We ain't doing that. She ain't finna set us up like that.
Anyway, my weight limit is like 350, 400. At that point, we done. I can't.
I don't even know if I can do that.
No, because sometimes you have to think about height and all of that. Like that has
Baby,
a lot
I
to
ain't
do
got
with
time to be thinking about all them.
It has a lot to do with it. Like you said, Joe is how tall?
He like 6.
He's 6 foot, and he's kind of muscular, right?
That's a big ass man.
How much does Joe weigh?
I don't know. He be in the
Probably
gym.
2-something.
He be in the
No,
gym,
I
which
don't think he too nothing.
No?
I think he less than that because he.
but he close to it.
I don't know.
But by looking at him, you wouldn't say Joe is 200 pounds because when you hear 200 pounds, you're like, damn, that's
You
fat.
think-
Yeah.
You have to take all that into consideration. So it's just 350, 400. Nah, bro.
What you doing?
What you doing, baby?
This.
Eating.
What we doing? It's
I ain't got time for
We
that.
ain't 400 pounds, so it's good.
Ooh,
My
I'm gonna
mama
tell
said-
y'all, like, look, you are not at 400 pounds. Stop playing.
No, no, what's up, bro?
She say anything,
I was just like, get out my house.
and sometimes you just gotta look past her. Okay, so what's some other insecurities you think men have?
I think a lot of men be like, I don't know, like insecurities that they would have. it's probably what's in their pants, bro.
Oh, for sure.
Well,
Oh, for sure.
But a lot of the times, that don't even matter, though.
To a lot of women, they don't.
Yeah, because if you know what you're doing, then by all means. But
do the thing.
It's not. Never mind.
Yep. Go ahead, Sarah.
No.
you gotta say it now.
Don't be scared.
I'm eating my pizza.
Mm-mm. I don't know though, but a lot of men be like, you know, they be kind of insecure about that.
That's
But
a
then you
good
got some men that don't be kind. You just be like, you should be telling everybody, showing everybody that.
one. I gotta tell somebody in the beginning.
Tell me beforehand.
Little baby boy. Little SpongeBob SquarePants.
All right.
Don't shoot the messenger. Because that didn't come from me. You made it up.
I'm hollering.
I don't want no parts of this.
I
Okay.
said what I said.
So, Chelsea, what you think?
About what?
Not that. No.
Oh, I'm like SpongeBob.
I don't like it. What you think? Like some insecurities that dudes have. I think looks.
You think so?
I don't think men have some of them, but I don't think a lot of men have because some
They don't be
men,
crying, low key.
some men just be like they think they fine as hell and they
Mhm.
really don't. But
Yeah.
it's all about the confidence thing. So I wouldn't say that's a big one. I don't know. I think the ones we hit were probably the biggest ones for
Yeah.
men. Pride is probably a
Yeah.
big one.
Yes.
Pride is
Oh
a
my
huge
God.
one. But other than
Oh.
that, I wouldn't. I don't know.
So, what would y'all say? Y'all like? What makes y'all attracted to a dude? Like, what is it about like their? Let's do physical appearances as of right now.
Clean shoes.
Yeah, y'all know me. I'm all about the shoes, baby. Don't come over with them.
A nice haircut and lining.
Birds, baby. Ooh,
Boom.
baby.
Birds.
Smelling good.
Mm-hmm.
I don't mess with the light skinned dudes no more, baby. I had to no, my baby black hair.
No.
I can't mess with the light skin. Mm-mm.
I don't discriminate.
I don't need shit. My fiance is.
Light skin didn't work for me. Light skin did not. No.
Nope.
No.
I just feel like
White skin did not work for me.
before my fiance, I feel like if I was attracted to you, I was attracted to you. Like
I
it
mean,
wasn't,
yeah, but like
I didn't care about light skin, dark skin type deal. I just
it didn't work for me.
okay. I heard you the first 3 times.
But when I got my little chocolate drops,
That's Joseph.
yeah, that was Joseph.
Don't ever call him a chocolate drop around me
Is
ever again.
Vanilla white chocolate drop?
No, that's disgusting.
He's one of those specialty chocolates.
For real.
He's a Bosnian chocolate.
Oh no.
Did I got chocolate over there?
White chocolate. They got white chocolate. Well, all right.
I wish I would have heard that. It's okay. Next. No, another thing I like. Teeth.
Yes.
Teeth.
Teeth is a big one.
Smile.
Mm-hmm.
That's a big one. Because that's really the first thing you see.
And their eyes.
Not everybody got good eyes.
What you mean?
Not everybody got good eyes.
What the hell?
What classified as good eyes, Ashley?
I meant like
The
you
color.
pretty
The color.
eyes. I meant pretty eyes.
I was
Shit.
gonna say good eyes.
No, I'm not
I ain't got good eyes. I can't see nothing.
None of us got good eyes, so damn.
Like, I'm not talking about, like, as far as, like, color. Yeah, color would be cool, but, like, you know, some people just got, like, pretty, like, regular brown eyes. Like, they just, no. Jordan.
Can't relate. What else Joe got?
Anything. Lay back.
Holla.
But no. And then they tried to laugh at me because the back.
Yeah, that was weird.
So y'all ain't seen nobody with no sexy back?
No.
Y'all stupid, man.
If we stupid, what are you?
No, because you talking about some day walk.
So you ain't never got like somebody had a nice walk with
Nah.
No.
Not
What they?
stupid ass shoulders. Stop moving. Stop moving your damn shoulders.
Listen, you like motherfuckers back, so.
Yeah.
Okay, I can't relate.
Nice, babe.
I'm gonna give me a shirt that say can't relate.
Shut up.
Okay. Guess that.
Come on, Chelsea. What you
I
got?
don't. Y'all are describing my man at this point, so I don't know. He got pretty eyes. He
Good.
got. He
What
got.
color is that?
His eyes change colors. They green, gray.
I'll be looking at him like that.
Well, I mean, I'm glad.
Yeah. Never got that close.
They change colors. He got the beard. He smelled nice. He dressed nice. Got some nice shoes. My man.
I ain't never seen a smile.
That's what I'm saying.
Not just playing.
I was just saying that you gonna lie like that.
Because he be laughing at us.
I ain't never seen Joe smile hell.
You know what? I don't think that I have.
Probably not.
Like y'all think I'm like I'm so serious.
You probably haven't seen him smile.
You probably won't. He a Scorpio.
I'm a Scorpio.
Sorry.
And I
He gonna watch this and be
all the time.
like, look, I
I
smile. No, he smile. He got a nice smile. I like his smile. I be like, oh. And then he starts smiling.
As soon as she say something, he be like, never mind.
Mm-hmm.
He be so. Lisa, stop.
Oh, I thought you was talking about me. I was just like, what I do?
I don't know. But a lot of men, it's just different stuff. It just, like you said, you just gotta vibe with somebody, I feel like.
Yeah.
Like, as long as you vibe and you like, oh, okay. Because they might be
That's
cute
what-
after they start vibing. You be like,
Or they might be ugly.
Yeah.
You right.
And then, it don't even matter. But looks is another thing that kind of like, it depends. Like, if you like shy, then don't do it. But like, if you just like decent, but you a cool ass person, you know what I'm
And
saying?
the personality.
Yeah, your
lit,
personality.
And you can
lit.
dress, but you ugly.
Yeah, baby.
We can learn something else.
Yeah. But you know, everybody ain't cute.
No.
Like
You
me.
right about that?
We might be ugly to somebody.
I'm definitely ugly to
A lot of females say it to me.
I'm ugly to
That went
me.
better.
I was hoping to say, listen, I'm not talking to you right now.
Period.
They gonna hate regardless.
Yeah, that's facts.
Yeah. On me.
But you fine, friend. You fine, friend.
You fine too.
Thank you, Stars. Anyways,
Yeah.
because that just went left.
We just had a sentimental.
That just went so left. But
Yeah, I'm cool.
I'm not. Anyways, I'm never full.
Me either. I don't get for
I
that.
need another napkin.
Let me
Can
get
you
it.
give me another napkin?
Yeah, go ahead. She asked you first.
No. Sorry, y'all. We need a napkin.
I do that.
I need a napkin. This is what y'all get for making me put me in the middle. This is what y'all get.
Oh, now you say so. Ha! After 50 videos, now you say so.
What you do?
Cause you the brightest one.
Hey, man.
Look at stupid. This not getting cut out either. Nope. I don't know, but a lot of men, like I said, don't have a lot of insecurities. But it is like certain stuff that women do look at. But then there's a lot of stuff that women don't really be paying attention to.
What about tattoos? Y'all like tattoos?
Yeah.
Yeah. Joe ain't got none, but I be trying to get him to get some.
Not even one.
He don't have no one.
I don't have any.
He don't have none.
Man got a whole bunch of them.
I'm scared of needles.
I ain't scared of
See,
needles.
I
Them
get a
shits hurt.
tattoo before I get a piercing, though.
I ain't gonna be needles.
Oh, for sure.
I get a tattoo before I get a piercing.
When I get
don't know, that's
my
weird.
stomach right, I'm getting my belly button re-pierced.
Oh,
Still
yeah,
don't
yeah.
know it yet, but I am.
Oh, you know it now.
You'll see that later.
Yeah, I ain't. If I get anything, I'm gonna get liposuction.
Oh.
I'm not, baby. I ain't gonna make this look cute. We'll put a little gem on it. No.
What?
A little gem.
That's why I said when I lose it.
I'm probably not gonna ever lose mine.
Girl, yes you will.
You be going to the gym?
Yeah, I'll be there.
Nah, I be there. You don't be doing that, no friend?
Yeah, I be working out.
Do you sweat?
It depends on what my hair like.
You probably stop going to the gym. Me and Lisa will go to the gym. We'll be in there 30 minutes on the treadmill laughing at people.
Yeah. Cause like I go work out with this. You know what I'm saying? Like I had went to the gym the other day and I had went to the gym with Joe. And you know, I can't slack when I'm with Joe because he be tripping. So I was literally like sweating, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm running on the treadmill. I literally was running on the treadmill, y'all. Oh my God.
I would pay to see that.
Man. So I was like
That's so nice.
so I was running, I'm like, oh workout in?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then we had went out right after I left the gym.
Yep.
So they messed all that up.
Mm-hmm.
But it was good. You said you was full, right?
Yep. Ooh.
Well, I think we pretty much nailed it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me too.
What's some of y'all insecurities? Y'all gonna tell us?
No, they ain't gonna
Probably
tell
not.
them.
Well, comment it anyway.
Yeah.
They insecure, but actually they don't want us to know. Comment it anyway.
Anyway.
Tell us what y'all insecurities are, or females. Tell us what y'all dudes' insecurities are.
Yeah.
You know, be anonymous. We ain't gonna snitch out.
Can they do that?
I don't
Not
know.
if they comment on the video and their name out there.
Well, make a fake page. People do it all the time. But make sure that y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, do whatever it is that you gotta do. Show us some love. And this is a wrap.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
It's February.
What does that mean?
That means that this year already going by fast because we was just making a video saying that it was a new year.
You right?
Well,
A lot more to come.
A whole lot.
All right, y'all. We'll see y'all on the flip side. Keep y'all head up. Gang. Ooh.
and again, we are
Undecided.